Good morning, school. Good morning once again. Hope you are doing fine. As you can see, it's on a Monday. We are beginning a new week. And as we are going to begin this week, how I wish you endure having discipline, work hard, ensure that you work hard in your studies, because in the coming weeks we are going to have our exams. Ensure that you don't misbehave, simply because if you misbehave this week, we are going to deal with you seriously. How I wish you make sure you do not cross our paths, because we will have it rough. With those few remarks, let me welcome the teacher on duty. Welcome, sir.
Yes, thank you, Mr. Mongo. Happy. So, good morning. As you have heard, I'm the teacher on duty this week. I'm not just checking, since you know that, of course. So, hizi viatu nimeziokota kutoka kwa Moringi, Form 4. Ako wapi? Rush to the staff room, sahi, patane. Yeah. Hizi sasa naenda kuchoma. Hii kofia, tulisema hakuna kuingiza kofia kwa shule, si ndio? This morning nimeokota kofia 16 of them from Forest. Unajua venye kumeenda? Not say much. Not. Hii hoodie tulisema hatuingizi shule, si ndio? Tuko na msichana this morning. So these are the rules of this week. Movement is by running. Tunakaa kama tuko kampi ya jeshi. Okay? This week we speak in English, pure English, with those few remarks. In fact, I was to forget a guy called Johnson. Ako wapi? Alikuwa ameingiza mahindi choma. I don't know where he corrected them. Na mapera hapa shuleni. I'll deal with you. Kaponi Street. Where are you? Run to class.